All right, please give it up for the next speaker, Vincent.
Hey everybody, I have to confess something. I really hate Google Translate. Like, it's useful for some things, but als ik nou Nederlands ga praten, dan verstaat de helft van jullie me gewoon niet. そして日本語だったら今笑ったオランダ人がもう黙ってる。You see?
Okay.
So I want to make something really useful because technology can do this. But until now, all the smart people in technology and language have been working on treating language like a string and doing algorithms on them. So I want to make something smarter. Basically, what I'm thinking of is an API that helps app developers make their apps or their websites more multilingual and more easily. For example, for e-commerce, we offer them the right keywords to post their products in several languages for free and get human quality translation for free, basically. Or if it's a website like 99 Designs or games, social games, for example, what I need is people that are tired of the same old ideas and want to build something really new.
Thank you very much.